Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to insert or add graphics on your Canva sheets on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a graphics on your Canva sheets on your computer, just going to show in this video. For that, first of all, you just open it and you just need to click on the element section. And here in element section, you have a category called graphics. Click on CR option, and here you can find recently used on the top are magic accommodation and featured gradient stickers and collections. So if I just need a gradient, you just can search as gradient or any shapes, whatever you just needed. So you can just click this and just insert whatever the shapes or whatever the graphic is just needed. Click on the CR option to insert more graphics like leaves and arrows and much more graphics you just needed. It's so simple to insert the graphics on your canvas sheets. You can just use it and you can just make your own creativity. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.